मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। लोगों का काम है कहना। पीपल्स बिजनेस इज टू से। पीपल्स बिजनेस इज टू से। जितना मैंने कहा उतना करो। डू एज मच एज आई सेड। Do as much as I said. मुझे हमदर्दी नहीं चाहिए. I don't need sympathy. I don't need sympathy. तुम मुझे ऐसे ही पसंद हो. I like you as you are. I like you as you are. मेरे पास नकद रुपया नहीं है. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. मेरी पीठ दुख रही है. My back is hurting. My back is hurting. मैं मदद करके खुश हूँ. I am happy to help. I am happy to help. तुम बाद में पछताओगे. You will regret later. You will regret later. मैं पूरी जिम्मेदारी लेता हूँ. I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, as far as I know, as far as I know, तुम्हारी जुबान कड़वी है. You have bitter tongue. You have bitter tongue. मैं तो बस यूं ही पूछा था. I just asked casually. I just asked casually. मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. I will definitely come. I will definitely come. जैसा कहा वैसा किया. I did as you said. I did as you said. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ही रहूँगा. I will remain as I am. I will remain as I am. वरना क्या? Else what else? Else what else? मुझे लगता है वो आएगा. I expect him to come. I expect him to come. अपनी राय अपने पास रखो. Keep your advice to yourself. Keep your advice to yourself. तुम्हारे पेट में कोई बात नहीं पचती. You cannot keep a secret. You cannot keep a secret. सब हैरान रह गए. Everyone got shocked. Everyone got shocked. तुम इतने डरपोक क्यों हो? Why are you so coward? Why are you so coward? तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो? Why are you so gloom? Gloom meaning उदास होता है. Why are you so gloom? ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहो. Keep going forward like this. Keep going forward like this. तुम इतने बेरहम क्यों हो? Why are you so ruthless? Why are you so ruthless? मुझे उसकी आदत नहीं है. I am not used to it. I am not used to it. वह मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है. He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. तुम इतने निर्दयी क्यों हो? Why are you so cruel? Why are you so cruel? हमारे पास बहुत समय है. We have a plenty of time. We have a plenty of time. देखो, वहाँ बिस्तर लगाओ. Look, make bed over there. Look, make bed over there. दरअसल बात यह है कि actually the thing is that मैं नीला वाला खरीदना चाहूँगा. I would like to buy the blue one. I would like to buy the blue one. यह मेरी छुट्टी का दिन है. It's my day off. It's my day off. वह एक अच्छे परिवार से है. He belongs to a well-off family. He belongs to a well-off family. तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? मेरी माताजी को खाना बनाना है. My mother has to cook the food. My mother has to cook the food. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. It happened by chance. It happened by chance. क्या किया जा सकता है? What can be done? What can be done? तुम इतने कंजूस क्यों हो? Why are you so miser? Why are you so miser? खुद को आईने में देखो. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look at yourself in the mirror. लोग ऐसे क्यों होते हैं? Why are people so? Why are people so? तुम ऐसी बकवास क्यों करते हो? Why do you talk such nonsense? Why do you talk such nonsense? मैं तुमसे तंग आ चुकी हूँ. I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. तुम कौन सी फिल्म देखना पसंद करोगी? Which movie would you like to watch? Which movie would you like to watch? मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. ये कैसे हो सकता है? How can this happen? How can this happen? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you feel like. As you feel like. तुम्हें पाकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Having you, I'm very happy. Having you, I'm very happy.